Okay, today we're talking about customary conversions, and we're specifically working with length today. So we reviewed changing units of measure by going from a small unit of measure to a large unit of measure, and we used our arm trick. If we cross our arms and make us tiny, we're going from a small unit of measure to extending our arms, a large unit of measure, and this reminds us of a division sign. So we're going to divide. Then if we do the opposite and we're starting with a large unit of measure and stretch our arms out really wide and then cross our arms across your chest, then that can remind you of the multiplication sign, so you're going to multiply. So we've done a few together. We're going to scoot on down to number 6. Number 6 is asking us to compare 3 yards and 2 feet to 132 inches. So for those to be comparable, we need to make sure that they're in the same unit of measure. So I'm going to go ahead and change my yards and feet to inches. So there are 12 inches in every foot, and since I'm going from feet to inches, that's a large unit of measure to a small unit of measure, I'm going to multiply. And 2 times 12 is 24 inches. Then I need to work with the yards. So there are 3 feet in every yard and 12 inches in every foot, so that's 36 inches in each yard. So I can multiply 3 times 36, and that's 108 inches. So then I want to add 108 inches plus 24 inches, and that's a total of 132 inches. Then I can tell that these two measurements are actually equivalent. And let's look at the couple of word problems. Patty is building a rope ladder for a tree house. She needs 2 5-foot pieces of rope for the sides of the ladder. She needs, let's go back and underline and mark important things. She needs 7 pieces of rope, each 18 inches long for the steps. How many feet of rope does Patty need to make the ladder? And then it says to write your answer as a mixed number and as a mixed measure in feet and inches. All right, so let's first find the total amount of feet and inches that she would need to make the ladder. The 2 5-foot pieces of rope is 2 times 5. That's 10 feet of rope. Then she needs 7 pieces of rope that are each 18 inches. So I'm going to multiply 7 times 18, and that's 126, and that's inches. So then I need to find a total of 10 feet and 126 inches. So to do that, I need to change one of them feet to inches or inches to feet so that I can add them together. All right, so the 126 inches, I'm going to change to feet. To do that, I know that there's 12 inches in a foot, and I'm going from inches to feet, I'm going to divide. So, because I'm going from a small unit of measure to a large unit of measure, so I need to do 126 divided by 12, and I don't have a whole lot of room to work here. I think I can squeeze it. All right, so that gives me 10 feet and 6 inches. So I have 10 feet for the sides of the rope, 10 feet and 6 inches for the steps. So then I want to find a total together, and my total would be 20 feet. So 10 feet plus 10 feet and 6 inches is 20 feet, 6 inches. And then I need to also find that as a mixed number. So I need to ask myself, what fraction of a foot is 6 inches? It's 1/2 of a foot. So that would be 20 1/2 feet. Okay, we're going to go ahead and stop there.